Okay, we've reached the regenerating of the physical body. So, to help with this, we have the hopping hare. That's symbolic of how you're going to feel after meditation. I was bought a rather large box of beer for my birthday, but it's not till next week. But I was running short, so that's quite useful. Also, smoky cathedral quartz, which I have introduced before, and I can't get the light on it to get it right, but we have regrowth at the bottom there. Can't seem to get that. Also, etched amethyst. Look at that beautiful piece, which is regrown on the top where the points broke off, and there's multi-points regrowing. And also a beautiful citrine, natural citrine, cathedral quartz. Cathedral lightberry. They are different. I'll explain that another time, to bring light into the body. So, this again from Synthesis of Light. There's a lot of instruction before where I'm actually starting, but I haven't got the time to read all that. So I'll pick up on it at a certain point. Just say, so to regenerate the physical body and heal the body, obviously, is to reactivate this light. Now, the light it's talking about is the light, the centre of every cell and atom, basically, which lies within the central nucleus of the atom. Reconnect via the solar angel soul, impressing upon the mind to reorganise the brain to accept its divine nature, and that all parts of the body are of one life, part of a one life. Mention the first note, the first ray, which is the motivating power for regeneration. Carries the energy to where it needs to go. The solar angel directs the energy and informs the brain consciousness. And the second ray note has the power and healing energies to bring this light into activity, reconnecting all the lights into a synthesis. I'm talking about the body. They are connected by the fact they are descended from a higher plane of consciousness via the parallel Deva evolution. The centre of every chakra, there is a point of light that represents the angel of the presence, also known as the monad. A reference here to the combining of the human and angel evolution. Realise these chakras are etheric in nature. And the etheric itself underlies every part of the body. Now, this central point of light is also, in most cases, a dull light. The strength of this light is according to the consciousness of the individual. So the means for the regeneration of the body is now starting to be revealed. The centre of the chakra requires an activation to then direct the energies from that centre to the part of the body that is troubled. And it will be the nearest centre to the trouble. This is the method for a specific problem. There can be an overall regeneration. Let us attempt this regeneration through meditation. And I should be doing this as well because I've accumulated quite a lot of pain in my back. So here we go. Prepare for this by simulating yourself with the one life. You can extend yourself into this concept through the silence firstly, then the space. All things are connected through the etheric space. A vast web of energy. That is the energy, force and substance of the one life. You are part of this. Move upon the web. Your movement depends upon your own light geometries. Align your geometries to the one life. This you do from the synthesis of heart and solar angel above the head. Visualize this how you will. Now feel yourself part of the one life as you take your consciousness of heart and solar angel upon a path of light to the synthesis of light, the sun. Approach the first note there, Ray. This is the motivating power for healing. It is the first aspect, the angels of life. It streams to us via the planet Vulcan. This energy has a vibration we relate to the colour of red. Collect this energy into your solar angel, soul above the head, and identify more fully with the angels of life. Now become aware of the second note, second ray, within the synthesis, the sun. The energy of love. This is the energy of healing. Identify with the angels of love. You visualize now this energy directly focused within the Christ, then collect this energy into your solar angel. Remember now, the transmission will be from the solar angel to activate the central nucleus of the chakra, to then activate the nucleus of the atom, where lies the Christ principle. It is the first note that will activate this central point of the chakra. Your approach now can be varied. The simplest of approaches for a particular problem that you have identified, having chosen the chakra nearest the problem, would be to bring the energy of the first ray, colour red, into the head centre. Its centre point lights up. Then move the energy to the chakra in question to light up its centre point. Always now retaining the connection to the solar angel and the synthesis of light, first aspect. Each point you light up in the chakra becomes an intense white light. Therefore, you are bringing the monad into manifestation and realize the potential of this. At the moment you have achieved this, bring in the second note from the solar angel, retaining the higher alignment with the Christ into the crown and its lighted point. Then into the chakra. You have created the opening for the healing energies. Then bring it into the place of difficulty, which you visualize. Then into the multitude of central nuclei within the difficulty. Seeing these light up with the energies you are bringing through the love aspect from the second ray, via the Christ and these central points of the atom. Become aware of what they are in relationship to their part within the divine blueprint. your divine blueprint. Then reorganize them into a perfection. The light of love moves out from these central points to the entire area of difficulty. All pain drains away. The problem area becomes once more a part of your overall divine blueprint. Hold this focus as the two streams work their magic. Forgetting not, the angels of life are there with you, giving you the motivating energy. The angels of love are also present, helping with the healing. You can become aware of those as they surround you. Now release this difficulty from your brain consciousness. Let it go into the great waters of life for purification. By this I mean, as the distorted energy from the difficulty is driven out, see and experience it going into the water for transmutation, along with any consciousness related to it. When everything has settled down, enter back into the external world. This particular meditation can be repeated regularly, as with the regeneration of the mental and emotional bodies. Thank you.